me show you something. So last night, Larry and I arrived late, very, very late, and we pull up, and I get my first look at the van, and we're really tired. And the last thing we want to do is go look at the van. But a little while later, we get situated, and he says to me, "Oh yeah, by the way, Miles, I think you might want this." And I said, "What's that?" And he pulls out this. And I went, "Is that it?" And he says, "Yes, Miles, that's your key. So let me show you." My first look of my vehicle. There it is. Vehicle and me in the same shot at the same time. I know, the realm of the hard to believe. Let me take you around her. Because, damn. There she is in all her glory. Tree in the way. There she is. We're gonna replace that bumper. Not all that thrilled with it. It's a little crumpled. No big deal. But she is a thing of beauty. This is gonna be my home for the next 2 years. Well, year really, and then we'll see at the end of the year. But I have a lot of work to do with her. So let's go out for a little spin, shall we? Well, not really. We can't take her out for a spin, but let's get in the car, shall we? Come on. Come with me, my friends. Let's get inside and do the look around. Yes. So now let's put that key to use, shall we? Here it comes. Key. In the ignition. And listen to that engine purr, baby. There it is. Ouch. This is gonna be my home for the next year at minimum. Let's turn this off because I don't have that much gas, and I need to get some gas. I also need to get it retitled, get all the paperwork taken care of, yada yada. That's a whole long other story. Wow, there's so much to do here. Let me show you around a little bit. Let's get this out of the way. I need to take this chair out. Probably one of the second or third thing that I need to do. It needs insulation. It needs new floor. It needs some things to turn it into a home. A whole lot of things. I've got so many ideas. It's not even funny anymore. But let me take you back. That's preferably without killing me in the process. All right, here we go. There's the back. Yeah, I know. It's so small. Miles, how could you possibly peacefully coexist in this? Trust me, this is like home to me. I am going to be very happy here. There's so much to do here. There's so much possibility here. I gotta basically make this a livable space. Yes, makes sense. It needs insulation. It needs flooring, paneling, power, on a whole bunch of other things that need to happen to it. I'm bursting with ideas. But this is going to be my home for the next year, at minimum for the next year, possibly two. Wow, I am astounded. I know it's a short episode today, but I could literally go on about this stuff for hours and hours and hours and hours. And I'm without words. I'm without words. That's what it comes down to. If it sounds like, I'm not that excited, trust me, I am. I'm just beside myself. I have a home and it's mine. It's all mine. You don't understand that. I know, most people, they have a home and they just accept that as, I haven't had a home that's mine for 30, almost 40 years. I've been living in other people's spaces and it's annoying, but once you have a place that's all yours, wow. And this is all mine. I know it's small. I know you can't possibly, how could he get so excited about that? This is going to be my home. And I'm infinitely thrilled with it. So I'm going to leave you right there. So much to do today. I have to get a whole bunch of stuff done. We'll talk about that in a later episode. All right. These are my patrons. Thank you very much to those people that have supported the channel this far. If you'd like to be a part of that list, please select the support option down below that works best for you. Gifts, likes, subs, cash, or a Patreon supporter. So pick the support option that works best for you and help a brother out. I'm going to leave you right there, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye!